day 26. I'm going to show you the news. Only news right now is retail sales, and you got retail core sales. That's really it. 807. So this range right here on the hourly started on 13th, and we're on the 17th right now. Still ranging in between. I can honestly move it to this low, but honestly, I'm not even trying to psych myself out, so I'm gonna just keep my mindset. So recently, I noticed that the only thing that's really getting better for me is telling the directional buys for a long period of time when I'm in the market, but as of taking the trade or like picking what play to use as entering the trade, I don't think I know how to equally pick which one to do, but it could be something else too. I'm just trying to figure out my wrongs, the problems that I'm repeating. Journaling, so I can review the trades. I usually do every day, any day. So just like viewing trades, go back testing. Maybe just I'm not doing more trading in general. I'm just not putting trades in, but maybe that's not the problem. All right, update. So the news came out 0.1. Retail sales monthly is bad for us, and then core retail sales monthly is good for us. So pretty much it's gonna go up and down. What do you know? It went up and down. Back on that topic of directional bias, I feel like it's more of not knowing when there's bad market structure. Definitely not knowing when it's like mostly bad market structure. When I feel like it's the best time for me to put a trade in, I'll put a trade in. And then like the market is like straight wonky right after, so it's like, my guy, you just fucking suck. Stop it. But that's why I'm going to keep doing the same thing every day. I feel like it's going to click. Say like I do believe that saying, like, keep showing up, it's going to click. I know this prediction is a stretch, but I'm just going to call it out real quick, just very quick, right? This candle, then I can assume that it can maybe pull back with smaller candles up, bounce off of here, or just bounce off of the support again, back down. But we'll see. Alright, so it was gonna play out, but support shitted on it. It's cool though. I bounced back from the S-class drawing I just did right here. After the build down to here, I would want to see the candle come in, close within. The first tap into, I would want the candle to close within it, and then tap in, do a pullback. It doesn't have to be extreme pullback, but I would want to see some type of reaction when you touch the shelf, to be honest. As a reaction, I would want to see a close outside, not right after, but I would want to see a close. If it taps back into it, like if it looks like this, my stop would usually be right here, but then I would put it up to right here, and then most likely put my stop loss to break even. Most likely whenever it puts it back up. If it doesn't put it back up, I'll just let it hit my stop loss, honestly, because fault my boy, you should have seen it coming. Not playing. You can't really blame yourself. The market does what it wants. So honestly, I marked off the EX for it, so the extreme for this 5-minute range swing from the news, to see if it would come up, fill, and create a break back down, give more range of a target. But that's the ideal. We're in the range, so definitely don't really care for it. I will literally post the same type of video every day. It will start clicking and the market will change. So it can repeat or it can change. So we will just wait a bit. So the idea kind of got stomped out. And then for the purge idea, I'm not going to take it, to be honest, because of the fact that it took one candle to activate it, didn't fill the whole favor gap, and it pulled back up and it traced down. So this candle would have tapped me in, or that ideal trade, and it would have been the low of this candle, which would have been tapped out too. So it's even. I was protected by both trades pretty much. I was gonna lose both ideas, but it's all cool. We're in a range, so if it fails, it was just because in bad conditions, or I just took the wrong ideal trade. Honestly, for my delete and repeat concept, I'm not gonna lie, it's just psychological. If you're too late to enter a trade, if you miss a trade, if the trade loses, if you win a trade, it does not matter. Delete and repeat. When you delete that trade, delete out your mind, go save it, journal it, log it, get ready for your next trade. That's really it. So you can see the trade idea maybe got deleted, a little bit. Like I said, I'm leaving, it's moving, don't care. That's really it for the video. Thank you for persevering in this video. I'm doing this every day, like I said, until it comes to together and clicks. Y'all take care.